Today I'm working on this Electrolux fridge. They have rust and moisture at the back of this unit. This port needs to be installed at the back of the fridge. A customer also complained sometimes the ice maker will also stop working. Turn off the unit completely for 72 hours. Look at the back of the fridge for water leakage. No leakage? Good. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hamid Appliances Repair.